Welcome to FriYaaaa. Hello guys, welcome back to FriYaaaa. Well, today I am like super excited for this 6-week collaboration. Well, it's a challenge, guys. Well, this is by and created no other than my beautiful sister, Wani at Wani's house. So if you have not been over to Wani's house, what are you waiting on? She is just fabulous. She's my sis. So if you are just seeing my video, you want to jump on the bandwagon with this, you know what to do. Look right down below in my description, click over to her. I will give you direct to the same open challenge video and join in. So guys, what Wani want us to do is find a space and showcase your space. The second thing is show how you would like for this room to be function once it is made over. And the last thing is, what is your budget? So guys, what I am gonna do, I'm gonna show you my space. And it's crazy, guys. You have seen almost every space in my home except 2 spaces. And that is my daughter's room and my guy's room. So guys, my 2 boys are college guys, and because of this, they are now home. So this is their bedroom. It's a huge room. We just did everything at the last minute, put them in, but this gave me the opportunity to finally put my hands on their room. So I'm gonna bring you into the room and show you what the room is and what I would like for it to look like afterward. Oh yes, and mama has a budget, so come along.
Scorpio, baby, you want a rough cut?
With this room, this is the oldest side of the room, and this is the other one side of the room. Well, they have totally different tastes, but this is mama's taste. So what I would like to do to this room, remove their curtains. This wall is going to be black. I want to put some type of pictures on both sides. I want to put their boards, change their beds, and put headboards to their beds. I would like a wider nightstand there for the both of them there. Here where the television is a 50-inch television. I would like to put it on a TV stand. And over here, well, I can't do much because you know my intro song, Welcome to FriYaaaa. Well, this is where it was done. So guys, I would not be messing with anything over here because this equipment is expensive. So I want to turn the camera and show you this area. So on this side, what I have in mind is a bookshelf here. And I've been talking to them about a tall plant to bring some greenery in, because if you don't know, I am a grand plant. So this is the plant that my son wanted for Christmas. So yes, I am a grand plant. So this is the only green plant they have in their bedroom. So I would like a tall plant here. And guys, the big thing is the colors. So because they both like masculine colors, I want to convert this room to a restoration hardware theme. So the colors for this bedroom will be black, gray, and I think I'm gonna put a touch of cream in this bedroom. So guys, this is what I want for this bedroom. The function is for them to have still a cozy place, but with a mama's touch to it. And what is my budget? Well, guys, my budget to do this, you know I'm that thrift girl and all, so my budget to do this whole entire room, that included 2 beds, a bookshelf, a plant, a television stand, and a new nightstand, new curtains, a black wall. My budget is $300. That is my budget, but guys, my real budget is $250. So there's $50 to put in mama's pocket. So guys, this is the room that I will be doing. Also, I want to hang black curtains up in here, and I want to get some figurines that's very inexpensive to go in the shelf here. So that is what I am looking for. If you stay tuned, I will give you a blueprint of this room because this wall is kind of odd on this side. So this is what I want this room to look like. So I will give you a picture of kind of like what I want it to look like and what I have sketched out. So if you stay tuned, you'll see that. And guys, just wait until next week because this will be going on every week for 6 weeks. So guys, thank you, Wani, so much, because you see, your nephews need some help in this bedroom, and with me and you, we can get it done. So guys, you know what I would say at the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, and please do share it out because this is going to be a 6-week series. Yes. So guys, you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos. I gotta go, but I will be back next week. And until the next time, guys, bye.
But it was just short enough. Perfect fit when in it like a glove. Good at taking time, shouldn't rush. Think about it lately, what it does. Know the phone ringing, let it buzz. Look around and ring it just because. Take me with it, how she sort of love. Scorpio, baby, you wanna rough. Caught you with it, but she short enough. Perfect fit when in it like a glove. Good at taking time, shouldn't rush. Think about it lately, what it does. Know the phone ringing, let it buzz. Look around and ring it just because. Take me with it, how she sort of love. Heating up light in my A. Left in the scooter just talking green eyes to the soul and I stare at her face. Hit me like when coming over. I walk at the student, I walk in the place. Stranger my time to be closer. Playlist can tell her she let them play. Black lace sliding off her skin. Ask me where I've been like it's really been a minute. I cannot pretend.